Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mainframe. This is the first video of JCL. So in this video we are going to discuss about the basics of JCL, like what is JCL, why we use JCL, what is the features of JCL. We will discuss in this video. So first let's see what is the JCL. JCL stands for Job Control Language, and it is a scripting language used in IBM mainframe operating system to control the execution of jobs on the system. Jobs means that is not a jobs which we do in our profession. Jobs like in mainframe, JCL program is called job. Like if you write a code in JCL, that is a JCL program, so we can call that program to a job. So JCL is used to specify the resources that a job needs, such as disk space, memory, and CPU time, as well as the steps that need to be taken to be complete the job. That is the JCL's basics. With the help of diagram, we can understand easily that what is the work of JCL, that is the job control language. So first layer you can see here is application layer, that is application program. In application program there is COBOL, PL1 or any other programming language which we use in mainframe. So with the help of job control language, that is a JSON, we can execute program in mainframe. Without JSON, we can't execute any program in JSON, and the operating system, that will be any of them, like ZOS mainly it is the latest version of mainframe, which is provided by the IBM. So there is any other operating system as well, you can use that. So this is the JCL workflow. Now we can discuss about the key features of JCL. So first key features of JCL, that is the automating job processing. JCL provides a way to automate the processing of jobs on mainframe. This allows tasks to be completed faster and more accurately without the need for manual intervention. That means you can schedule a program or job for the specific time or date. When that time will come, then program will be executed automatically. You don't need to present there physically to run that program. That will be executed automatically. Here in a real life example, you can understand, like if you set an alarm on a specific time, when that time will come, the alarm will ring. That is similar to the gesture. When we schedule a job for the specific time, when the time will come, that will be done automatically. So this is the features of JCL. First feature we discussed, like automating job processing, and the second is the efficient resource management. Efficient resource management, that means the JCL provides a means to allocate resources for jobs such as memory, disk space, and the CPU time. This helps ensure that jobs are executed efficiently without overloading the system. And the third one is improved reliability. Improved reliability is, as we discussed earlier, about the automating. So by automating the process of jobs and managing resources, JCL helps to improve the overall reliability of mainframe system. Jobs are executed in consistent and predictable manner, reducing the risk of error or system cache. And the most important features that is present in JCL, that is the better workflow management. That means you can execute multiple jobs, like multiple JCL program in the same time to do different tasks. That is the better workflow management. So next we see some statements which you use in JCL. Most three statements which we use in JCL, that is DD, execs, and the DD. One is used for input and the second one is for output, and the execs is used to execute the program 1, program 2, program 3, and so on. We can execute in a JCL program, in a single JCL program, in many program we can execute with the help of the execs statement. So this is the diagram of the job. This diagram will help you to understand the process of the execution of the job when we submit a JCL job or program in the mainframe. So this happens after the submission. JS, first we understand what is the JS. JS is the component of ZOS, that is operating system of mainframe, that works on the front end of program execution to prepare work to be executed. JS, so you can see here is the input, conversation, execution, and the output, and the purge withheld in the ZOS. So overall, you can say JCL plays an important role in IBM mainframe operating system, and it is essential tool for mainframe administrator and developers by automating job processing, improving resource management, and enhancing reliability. JCL helps to ensure the efficient and effective operation of the mainframe system. So for this video, this is the end. All the basics we have discussed about the JCL. In the next video, we will discuss about the JCL statements and their structure. So see you in the next video. Thanks for the watching. Keep connected for the next update.